Hello plant lovers! In this video we are going to talk about plant care during cold seasons. Cold seasons refer to late fall, winter and early spring, when the outside temperature is below 50 degrees and we are using indoor heat to keep us warm. Seasonal changes affect humans and plants alike. By following few simple tips, your plants will withstand cold season without any severe damage. Come spring, they'll be looking happy and healthy and ready to thrive. Your plants will thank you for all the love and care you give them, and in return, they will cheer you up, lift you up, and take you through cold and gloomy days. Now, let's review a few simple tips for plant care during colder months. I begin with light. During fall and winter, daylight is getting shorter. It is best to bring your plants closer to the window so they can receive the most natural light throughout the day. Super important, keep your blinds open. Regular rotation of plants will provide equal light exposure to all sides and prevent your plant from leaning and losing the fullness of its shape. Next, let's talk about temperature. No matter what temperature changes occur outside, keep your indoor temperatures always between 69 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Drastic changes in indoor temperature will shock your plants, so keeping your temperature steady is crucial. Do not expose your plants to excessive heat and cold temperatures. Keep them away from the radiator and cold drafts. Humidity is important for most plant types, but indoor heating lowers humidity drastically. To keep humidity level higher, you can simply mist plant sleep daily or keep a humidifier nearby. Now, let's talk about watering. Soil will dry out faster with the high indoor temperatures, so watering frequency needs to be adjusted accordingly. We recommend testing the soil more often during the colder seasons. Large plants should have their soil tested at least once a week, whereas smaller plants should have their soil tested a couple of times a week. Now I want to show you some tools that will help you to care for your plants more efficiently. We use and highly recommend using the soil moisture meter. This tool helps to establish proper watering frequency by measuring soil moisture level. For misting larger plants, we use big pressure power bottle, easy. For misting small plants, we use our regular spray bottle. All of the tools used in this video can be easily purchased in our online shop. We ship all of our accessories across the continental US. No matter what season, keep your plants clean and free of dust. Green luck to you and stay warm!